In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively contact Substack support to resolve any issues you might be experiencing. Whether you're having trouble with subscriptions or need help with the post editor, following these steps will ensure you get the assistance you need as quickly and efficiently as possible. The first thing you'll want to do is use the official support email, which is designed to handle these exact kinds of queries. You will send an email to support@substack.com. Here's where the preparation is key. Make sure to include the email address associated with your Substack account. This will ensure they have the correct context and can access your account information immediately. Next, you'll want to craft a clear and concise subject line. This is crucial because it helps the support team get an immediate sense of what your problem is and route your email to the right person. For instance, if your issue is related to a subscription, a subject like "issue with subscription" directly signals the nature of your concern. Similarly, if your difficulty lies with the post editor, "need help with post editor" will do the trick. Think of the subject line as the headline of your request. It should be as specific as possible. Now let's talk about the main content of your email. This is your opportunity to provide all the details necessary to get your issue resolved swiftly. Don't hesitate to include any relevant information, such as the specific problem you're encountering or any error messages you've received. If applicable, attaching screenshots can be incredibly helpful. Visual aids often provide clarity and might highlight something that's easy to overlook when described in text alone. By offering as much information upfront, you're setting the stage for a quicker resolution. Once your email has been composed and sent, it's time to wait for a response. Substack typically replies within 1 to 3 business days. During this time, patience is important. Rest assured your query is being processed, and the support team is working diligently to address your needs. You'll receive the response at the email address linked to your Substack account, so be sure to keep an eye on your inbox as well as your spam or junk folders, just in case. While waiting can sometimes be the most challenging part, knowing that you have concisely and comprehensively conveyed your issue is a huge step forward in getting it resolved. Remember, clear communication is the cornerstone of effective support. That's it for today's guide. By following these steps, you can efficiently reach out to Substack support and get the help you need. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.